Is Safari browser using a lot of memory from your iPad or iPhone? Then here is the solution how you can free up the memory. Here you can see the Safari browser is consuming 8.88 GB of memory. If we tap on Safari and check, there is no option to clear or delete anything. Before clearing the space, make sure you save and close your work in Safari, because when we clear history and website data, Safari will close all the tabs. From the main settings menu, scroll down and select Safari, and scroll down and locate the option clear history and website data. Tap on clear history and website data, then tap on clear. Now tap on close tabs. Now if you go to general and iPhones or iPad storage, we can see Safari has moved down from top memory consuming list to down and consuming only 33.1 MB. This is how you can free up memory from your iPad or iPhone. To get more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.